How to use a Visa gift card at Walmart self-checkout. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide on how you can use a Visa gift card at Walmart for self-checkout. Now the process is quite simple. You can either do it on the app itself or here on the browser. Now you can see here I'm on the browser. The process is similar on the app itself as well. Now once here on browser you want to search in for walmart.com and you want to head into the official web page of Walmart, and here you can see I'm logged into my account. First what you'll need to do is you'll have to add the items that you want to buy to your cart. In my case, I've already added to my cart. At the top right corner you will find the cart option. Simply open it up there and open up the cart option. Once here, select the items that you want to check out and simply tap and continue to check out. And once you continue to check out, it will ask you for the checkout details, and once you proceed it will head into the payment methods. Now on payment method you can see the pay with card option there. You can see other ways to pay as well, but since you want to use a Visa gift card, you can see there among with pay with card you can find the Visa option as well, and you can Visa card option and the gift card option as well. Simply on the card number you want to enter in your Visa gift card details, and once you do so you want to continue, and then you'll be able to use a Visa gift card. So this way you can use a Visa gift card at Walmart self-checkout. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.